pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a great day. This is your Glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with something a little bit different, more so for my crafters out there and my creators who use a lot of spray paint. I'm using for the first time this spray paint I picked up at Michael's, and the name of it is, I don't know if you can see it there, but it's Montana. Apparently this is used a lot for like graffiti art, so I decided to give it a try. So my only issue is after taking it home, I could not get the thing to spray, okay? So it comes just like this. It does not have a cap at all. It just, they take it out the cabinet and they hand it to you just like this. So I came home, was ready to get my art together to, spray my pieces and try to press it. It would not work. And I was thinking, oh my God, do I have to take it back? There's really no instructions, which is why I'm coming to you with this video so that you do not experience the same thing, right? So you can learn from my mistake. So after twisting and turning, trying to find, maybe it has like an arrow for the, to be able to spray, nothing worked. And I decided I was going to take it back. But I played with it a little bit more, and this is how it works, guys. You have to take this part off. So just pull it off, just like so. And inside there is a black ring that prevents it from spraying. So you just basically take it off like this, put your cap back on, and then you're able to spray. So this little piece right here is actually a safety feature. It looks like a little washer or something. So after you finish spray painting, you just remove the nozzle once again. Put your ring back on, put your nozzle back on, and again you're in safety mode. So I hope you find this helpful, guys. Just wanted to share with you so that you don't spend, the better part of an hour as I did trying to figure out how to spray this Montana spray. So leave me a comment below in the comment section and let me know if this information was helpful to you. All right? Until the next video, this is your Glamorous penny pincher Shalomi saying, love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.